Hello, let's talk about the installation of our app. It can be the hospital, restaurant, business, or school app, just like what we are doing. You must have downloaded it through a USB key. You can have it on your computer, so you can run it from anywhere. Okay, so here I have just dropped it at the level of my desktop. So you must have gotten it from our website anywhere. So you have it. There are two of them. You must have this and this. Even if you have this installed, please make sure you do install this again. Even if you have even if you are an advanced computer user, so even if you are an advanced computer user, please always make sure you follow the instructions. Just repeat the same process. So we start by right clicking on this WinRAR. We take open. Once we take open, we take yes. Anything that pops up, we take yes. We just take install. Once we take install, we take OK, we take done. Once that is done, we go directly to this server. Once you go to the server, we right click on the server, we right click, then we take show more options, or we can take WinRAR. Here we see WinRAR directly. Let's take extract files. Don't take any other thing. You must take extract files. We take extract files. Once we take extract files, we take local Dixie. Make sure this is highlighted. We take OK. We take yes. Then we hold on. Let's hold on till the extraction is done. This depends on the speed of your computer, the RAM or memory, and so many other factors. So immediately the extraction is done, it disappears. So you have to come to Explorer here, Windows Explorer. Click on this Windows Explorer. This pops up. You come to this PC, my PC. Go to Drive C, local Dixie. You open it. You will see a folder called server. You open, you double click, or you right click and take open. Once it is open, you see my server ProSoft. Right click on it. Don't click, you right click. You come to WinRAR. You take extract files. Here you choose desktop at this level. Here you take OK. You come again to this other desktop in here. You right click, you come to WinRAR. You take extract files. Here you choose select desktop. Here, then you take OK. Once that is done, you can close this window. We now come to my server ProSoft. You right click on it. You must take run as administrator. I did not say open. You must take run as administrator. So I click on run as administrator. So whatever pops up, you just take yes. Whatever pops up, take yes. So many windows are going to pop up. Always take yes. Just take allow. Everything that pops up, you take allow. You can just take allow. Just take allow. So once you have ticked every window, we look at this arrow here. Once we click on it, we will see that there is a red flag here. Once this flag is green, then congratulations, everything is okay. So you just right click on it, you click on settings, you make sure start with Windows is ticked. You make sure start with Windows is ticked. You come to server here. Yeah, this is already okay. You take save. So you make sure this one too is ticked. It is blue. Why start with Windows is ticked, auto start is ticked. That is okay. You now take save. You take okay. Then we have to wait. we come back here. This has to be, it has to be green. We need to wait for it to be green. We can close this way. We come back here and wait for it to be green. Once it is green, we are all set. The next time we restart our computer, we don't have to go through this process. We simply have to launch our application just with this shortcut. So I will now click on this to launch the school application. So at times, depending on your browser, might be something else pops up. Maybe you can close. You have never used it. You can close, confirm and continue, confirm and restart browser. Okay. So let's just close what has opened here. Let me open again at fresh so that we have the application that opens. When we launch it, it opens at the level of our browser since it is a web app. So once we are on this page, we have to change to English. At the top here, we take English language here. So the instruction clearly tells you, so you want to activate a 9-month trial for the whole academic year. You just select any of the schools here. Don't bother about this. You just select this for primary school and nursery school. These are for colleges. Why these are for people who want to manage both primary, nursery, and college all in the same software. So just to choose any of them, put any email there. Just put any email at, it must be in an email format, something at gmail.com. Then once that is done, it works without internet. You don't need internet. You just take activate. You click on activate a free license for 9 months. Let's look at what it gives. So when that is done, we'll get the message your license has been activated. So once we get your license has been activated, we have to test all of the schools. So for each of the schools you click on, if you click on this, you wait, the page will reload. It gives you the username and password to paste. Make sure you copy this. Make sure there is no space in front and behind. You copy and you paste here. Make sure I put it in English. So I copy. I must choose a school here. I'm first of all testing the option with just the primary school only. I paste. I copy here. I paste. Make sure there is no space here and space here. I paste. So once I log in, it will take me to my dashboard. After that, I have to sign out. I will come again and choose this other school. It will give me its own passwords and username to use. For each of them, I will test. For each of them, I will test. Okay. So once I have this, I will once you are click on login. It is because you have no internet connection. So if you have no internet connection, you are going to see this page. You are going to see this page. So you can decide to close it. But it's good to have internet. It is good to have internet. So for like 10 minutes, you watch the video, then you practice. That is it. So you see that because there is no internet connection. So if you don't want that, you can still close it here. You can close it here and you continue doing what you want to do. But you know that for each of these buttons you have their own video user guide here. You can click on it. Each of these video user guide is explaining all of this model. If it comes to front office, if you click on this, there is a modal, a video that will pop up. It explains everything here. Okay, let me connect my internet and demonstrate the case where your machine has internet. Okay, let me reload. Once your internet is back, you just simply have to reload. Once you reload, see that things will change. It will automatically show you the YouTube video online. It shows you what we have on the internet. So it gives you a summary. It is very short. It gives you a summary of what we have online. So it summarizes to you how you can access the demo, how you can get your report cards, how you can register students, teachers, everything. Automatic timetables, certificates, messages, dormitories, transport. It tells you everything. So it is just a summary video. If you want more options, you click here on complete video. If you click on complete video, once you click on complete video now, you come to this section here. You will see a list of the modules. Attendance module, asset, announcement, advanced, administrator. It means for each button, it explains every functionality. If for instance you go to the payroll module, we have a payroll mode somewhere in here. It's going to explain to you everything about this button. So as you are watching, if maybe you watch a particular video, you can pause. If you pause, you can close it here. You practice that module. Once you practice it, you reload again. Once you reload, the pop-up is still going to appear, provided you have not clicked on appear in 1 hour or appear tomorrow. If you take appear in 15 minutes, good. It means you have to practice for like 15 minutes before, after reloading, this dialog box or modal is going to show up again. So it depends on you. So you can simply be closing here. When you close, when you watch, you close, you practice, you reload, you forward the video, you continue watching, you practice. It is easy going. That is how it works. So we can always switch. We can click on complete video here. Then we'll look at the playlist this way. So at one point too, you might not want to use this. You can close it or you can just disable it. Maybe you can go to our YouTube channel. We can send you the videos on WhatsApp. You can be watching the videos on your phone instead, but you practice it. Or you can download the YouTube video on your phone, just a short video for each module. So at any time during the application, you will always be informed. There is nothing you won't know how to do because you have the videos right in front of you, module by module, very short videos. So you have everything. So from the video, it will guide you how to go about it. So too, as you are working, I said if you have internet connection, for instance, if you come to this module, you don't know how to use it, you just click on it, you will see video guides. Something will pop up that explains just this module. Forget about this video, it's just a random video we took. By the time you are using this application, we are going to upload the link of this module specific video. So if you come for instance to asset management, if you click on video guides, you will see a YouTube video that will pop up that explains just the asset management to you. If you come to scholarship transport, you click on video guides, a YouTube video very short will explain to you everything about this module. And like we told you, if you reload, you will see a pop-up where you can watch a complete video. You can choose whatever you want to watch. It makes life easy and easy going. Thank you.